Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel a Webflow account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Webflow account, start by logging into your Webflow dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the account icon located at the bottom of the sidebar. In the account settings, find the billing tab and click on it. Look for the option that says Plans and Billing and select it. Here, you'll see your current plan details. Scroll down to find the Cancel Account button. Click on the Cancel Account button to proceed with the cancellation. Webflow will prompt you with a confirmation message. Review the information provided to understand the implications of canceling. If you still wish to continue, confirm your decision by clicking Yes, Cancel My Account. You may need to provide a reason for your cancellation. After confirming, you will receive a notification indicating that your cancellation is successful. Your account will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. You will not be billed for the next cycle. If you have any projects, make sure to back them up if you plan to delete your account completely. Remember that once canceled, you will lose access to your projects unless they are on a free plan. For any further assistance, consider reaching out to Webflow's support team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.